What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Malin, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, before this video even starts, bro, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and also hit that like button, and don't forget to click the bell. Do that right now before the video even starts. Alright, so do all that before the video even starts, man. Let's get straight into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Malin, come back with another video. Hey man, look, I'm about to teach y'all how to dry y'all dreads, how to, like, you know what I'm saying, what's the proper way to dry y'all dreads. I had a lot of questions on this myself when I first started washing my own hair and stuff like that, but the answer to this is a blow dryer, bro. I don't care how you put it. I don't care if y'all want to sit here and debate how your grandfather used the sunlight or air to dry his dreads, or let alone, bro, look, the best way to dry your dreads is a blow dryer. I don't care how you put it. You can say you sit out there in the sun for 2-3 hours. I'm not gonna sit out there in the sun for 2 or 3 hours and bake my skin. Like, bake my skin, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'll sit outside for 30 minutes to an hour. You feel me? Let alone if I'm doing the sport, you know what I'm saying, like a soccer game or whatever, sit out there. You know what I'm saying? But me sitting out there to dry my hair, I'm not sitting out there for 3-4 hours just to dry my hair. And I'm let alone not sitting in this room 8 hours with cold air going on it, or with the fan blowing. Bro, look, I done tried it all. I'm telling y'all, this is the best way. If you don't want mold in your hair after you wash your hair, bro, after you sat down, waste all the apple cider vinegar on your hair, and you come out and the next day you have mold in your hair just because of the fact you didn't dry it properly, then use a blow dryer, bro. But yeah, this is the best way to use a blow dryer, and I'm about to actually show y'all. And y'all want to use it for 10 minutes. Just use it for 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna turn it on and do nothing. But when every minute go by, all right. So look, for the first minute, you know what I'm saying, wash your front. Look, what I'm basically trying to tell y'all is divide your hair into sections when you blow dry. All right, and each minute do another method. You know what I'm saying? So the front part, the side part, other side, then the back, then your roots. You know what I'm saying? So do something like that, bro, and that's how you do it. It's gonna take you about 10 minutes. Alright, look, so once you get done, once the 10 minutes is up, right, squeeze your hair and actually go to the roots of your dreads and squeeze it. If you have any moisture on your hands, bro, just keep going, bro. Add another 5 minutes to the clock and just circulate. You know what I'm saying? Go around that spot where you got the moisture at. But yeah, it shouldn't take you no longer than 15 minutes. At the most 20. But yeah, with the blow dryer, bro, very quick, very simple, very easy, bro. I love it, bro. Invest in y'all a blow dryer. I've been telling y'all this for like the last 3-4 videos. Invest in y'all a blow dryer. You know what I'm saying? Invest in it. I'm telling you, because the air drying junk don't work. It don't work for me, and it's not gonna work for most of y'all, unless y'all some dreadlock gurus and y'all know what part of the earth you supposed to sit on at what time, bro. Look, I ain't got time for all that. Look, plug up me a hair dryer and just start blowing it. You feel me? So make sure y'all dry y'all hair properly. Make sure y'all taking y'all hair after y'all. Make sure y'all taking care of y'all hair. You know what I'm saying? Even after y'all dry it. Now me, I didn't even put oil in my hair today. You know what I'm saying? Just because of the fact I thought I was gonna lay down after this, but I'm not. But I didn't want no oil to get on my pillow. But if y'all new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media, and that will be in the link in the description. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.